My brothers and sisters, democracy is in danger, not just here but in the region. The jokes we have witnessed in the region recently that passed for election, very dangerous jokes. This is the time to stand firm in defense of democracy. Number one. Number two, I've said this before. Anyone who's betting for our differences, you will lose your bet. You will lose your bet. We are going to stand together and we are going to remain united. Our ambitions and our challenges, our individual interests, pale completely and are nothing compared to the unthinkable and unimaginable possibility of the continuation of this administration. Finally, because this is an opportunity I have in public to say this, tafadhali serikali, instead of bribing people around, use that money for capitation. Take that money to schools.